Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss one of the important things so far as the object-oriented programming class is concerned, static member and static method. Remember, static is a keyword. When it is used with members, that is known as your static member, and when static keyword is used with the method, that is known as your static methods. As we know, by default a variable stores the garbage value. Static makes the variable or the element or the member is 0, and static elements are persist within the scope of that block till the program exists. And what is static method? The static method can be called without any objects. Non-static method cannot be called without object, but static method can be called without the object, class name, scope resolution followed by the function name or the method names. The members on which static works known as static member, and the method on which the static works, that is known as your static methods. That defines static is a keyword in C++ used to give some special characteristics to the element. Static elements are allocated storage only once in the program lifecycle in static storage, and it occupies the space in the memory RAM, and their scope is till the program lifecycle, means the program terminates. So why it is given, static variable used inside the function initialize only once, and they hold their value till the function call exists. First we are taking how the static can be defined. Static data type followed by variable. Static, suppose data type int, variable is x, or character, variable is y, anything. We have taken a counter function is a user defined function within which a static variable is declared static integer count equal to 0. If you don't take count equal to 0, count is also automatically 0. The program execution starts from the main function. 5 times you want to continue the loop. 0 is less than 5, yes. Counter function call, this is calling block. It comes here, count first display, that is 0. Now incremented by 1, that is your 1. Count becomes 1. Again it comes here counter, again it will go. Now question arises, count will be 0 or last value? Last value, it is not overwritten, means count will be 1, then count is incremented by another 1, that is 2. Like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times the loop will continue, and the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value is not overwrite because it is static. If without static you declare, next example we have given, only int count equal to 0, then what happens? When 5 times first counter comes into here, 0 is less than 5, yes. Now count 0, count incremented 1, that is count become 1. And when next time it will go, the count will override, means again it is 0. Count may be incremented, but again when it come, it is overwritten. Hence 5 times 0 will be printed. If it is static, previous example we have given, that will be the last value will be taken, the value is not overwritten, hence the output will be 5 zeros. Then static function, as I discussed, if the function is declared with static, that is known as your static function, and the static function can be called directly without the creation of the object. Static return type function name. Here see, static void f, f is a user defined function defined within the class. Here class name, scope resolution, function name, no object is created, the function is called, and the respective statement will execute. That is the benefit of the static function. Any object is created for the purpose of which to call the method and member, but static never need any object, and without static you need the object. If the method is static, you can call it by the class name followed by the scope resolution operator followed by the static function name. Remember, this function cannot access ordinary data member and member function, only static member and static member functions. Some extent people tell the static functions are operated on the static member, ordinary member on which the static will not work. Hence, in today's class, we discuss one of the important keyword which is asking or which is used on the members and methods, that is known as your static. Hence, in object-oriented programming, if the static works on a member, that is known as your static member, and if static works on a function, that is known as your static functions. I think today's session everybody understand. If you like the video, kindly like it. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe it. Having any comment, please make the comment. Thank you. See you in the next class.